Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of 642 Tiny Things to Draw. I'm going to flip through my book and stop on a prompt, and then I'm going to search for a reference, find some colours in my coloured pencil pot, which I think I'll need, and we'll go from there. So let's start off. So, which one should I do? No, I can't spin it. So I've got a spring inside a clickable pen, one pixel on a computer screen, a sesame seed, one panel of a comic strip, a shoelace bow, a studio apartment in Manhattan. I think I'm going to do a sesame seed. I know that might sound boring, but let's give it a go. So it's this one down here. Already ruined the book with tie-dye dust. So here I have just like some scrap card or paper. I like to use it to scribble out some colours and write their numbers down so I know what they're going to look like. So first of all, I'm going to find my reference picture. Okay, so this is the reference I'm going to use. It kind of looks like a popcorn kernel. So once you've got a reference, I'm going to just pick out some colours. So, oh no, there is a page. So I've got like, if you look really closely, so I think I'll try and put this reference picture up. I'll put it on rather than showing you from my tablet screen, but it's got like oranges, yellows, a bit of red, some brown, so it depends how I guess detailed you want to go. It's even got like white spots all over it. Okay, so let's begin. So I'm going to start by drawing out the general shape just with a soft pencil. So this is just a B pencil. Okay, so I've got the general shape, and now I'm going to erase it a bit so it's more faint. If I can open my eraser. Why do I struggle with this? There we go. So this is just the kneadable eraser. You don't have to use one like this, you can just use a regular one. This one I like because I saw someone using it in a video. They were also drawing up something and you can just like roll it over. And it's not as harsh as taking an eraser, and you know when you go like that with it and then you'll erase away too much. So this is simply just to get the shape, and then we're going to use, or I'm going to use the colour pencils to fill in all the details. That will do. So I'm going to, let's see, start making my swatches. I'm just going to draw a line so I know where I am. So my colour pencils have numbers on them, so I'm going to reference the numbers with the little swatch. That's quite yellow, very yellow. I know at the end they do have the colour, but it's nice to see what it looks like on paper. And this is 552. So I can already see I've picked colours which are quite close together in number, so that means they're like similar tones, I believe. Don't quote me on that. Six. Maybe one day I will colour each of them in number order on a white sheet, but the reason why it's nice to do it this way is because I know that these are probably the colours I'll be using just for this picture, and I won't have to look at a giant swatch sheet that I've previously made trying to just see what the colour looks like on the white paper. This is just a quicker way of doing it. So it's these colours that I've got at the moment. So now I'm going to start filling in or colouring in the shape that I've made according to the reference picture. So I'm just going to put some background music on. I'm going to just stop talking now because the sound of my voice is even getting on my nerves. You can speed this part up or you can slow it down. Remember there's speed settings. If you click on the bottom right corner there's a cog on the video and you can change the speed. You can either just watch this or you can follow along. So I hope you enjoy this. So I'm going to get started and I'm going to shut up. lastly, I just want to finish it off with some white highlights. So I'm going to use this jelly roll. So this is like a white gel pen, or you can use a white marker. This nib might just be a bit too big for my Posca pen, so I'm going to use this jelly roll one. Just add a few highlights. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful or informative. I'm not an expert, but I try my best. So please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps. And also, if you want to continue watching this series, I've got one episode so far where I drew Peapods. I did the ones from Toy Story, so I'll put a link in the description to that. And yep, so this is episode 2. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!